Okay, we're going to do a little basic knife sharpening. There's your stone. Now, some of the places that I've worked, the one place, they had a knife sharpening service, so all the knives were sent out. Another place I worked, they had their own knife grinder in-house. The other two places I don't know about. I don't even know if they had a stone. Now, the thing of it is, every time you send a knife to the knife sharpener, some of the blade is going to go. That's all there is to it. If it cuts paper, it's sharp. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.